දසනකාන්ති චූර්ණය සහිත ලීවර් ආයිෂ් දන්තාලේපය දත්වල ඇති ප්‍රශ්න 10ක් වලකයි.
The Supreme Court yesterday delivered its verdict against 12 petitions filed against former President Maithripala Sirisena, former Defence Secretary Hemasiri Fernando, former State Intelligence Chief Nilantha Jayawardena, former National Intelligence Chief Cicera Mendes, and former Inspector General of Police Pujit Jayasundara for failing to prevent the 2019 Easter Sunday attacks due to their negligence, thereby violating the fundamental rights of the victims of the attacks that resulted in 271 lives being lost on that day. The 7-member judge announced that the respondents in fact had violated the fundamental rights of the people and ordered for them to pay compensation to the East attack victims. Accordingly, the Supreme Court ordered former President Maithripala Sirisena to pay 100 million rupees in compensation to the petitioners. Former IGP Pujit Jayasundara and former State Intelligence Chief Nilantha Jayawardena were ordered to pay 75 million rupees each. Former Defence Secretary Hemasiri Fernando was ordered to pay 50 million rupees, and former National Intelligence Director Cicera Mendes was ordered to pay 10 million rupees from their personal money. As such, the Archbishop of Colombo, His Eminence Malcolm Cardinal Ranjith, carried out a media briefing today regarding the decision announced by the Supreme Court.
A 7-member judiciary at the level of the Supreme Court gave a judgment which is a historic one in the history of this country. Even if a person becomes a president with executive power or any other person assumes responsibilities in order to prevent evil from happening, if these people, they themselves engage in such activities, the law in this country has shown that such persons can be punished by the law for behaving in that illegal fashion. That has been proven by this judgment. What is important in this is not so much the amount of punishment, money that has been decreed to be paid by these people, but these innocent people, they lost their lives and their loved ones because people who have been depending on the taxpayers' money, who have held high positions on the money that has been paid by the taxpayers, have neglected their duty to attend to the safety and security of the citizens of this country. They have been depending on the taxes that these poor people pay, but they have not done their responsibility to protect them. Attorney General of that time, Mr. Dappula Dilivera, informed that there was a conspiracy behind this attack and that it should be investigated. But so far, this has not been done in a comprehensive manner. The judgment given will be a great opening for us to start off looking into all the other aspects of this case.
The Church is expecting the Attorney General to take this case forward and institute legal proceedings against those who have been found guilty. Criminal proceedings, because this is a fundamental rights case. The view of the Church is criminal proceedings against Nilantha Jayawardena, Maithripala Sirisena and Cicera Mendes must now be instituted based on the findings of the Supreme Court.